Do you want to make more than $150,000 like this guy using only free online tools? I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to make this amount of money with no experience. We will create journals in Canva and sell them on Amazon in seconds. Without further ado, let's get started. Canva is a fantastic online platform that you can use to create custom designs for your journal notebooks. It's super user-friendly and easy to navigate, so even if you have no prior design experience, you'll be able to create a unique and stunning journal in no time. First, sign up for a free Canva account, which is simple and straightforward. Once you've created your account, select a journal template that you like and customize it with a unique design. You can choose from a wide range of design elements such as backgrounds, images, fonts, and colors to create a design that suits your style and personality. Don't worry if you're not a design expert. Canva provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface that allows you to create stunning designs even if you have no prior experience. You can add your own photos or choose from Canva's extensive library of images to make your journal notebook truly unique. Finally, show how to duplicate pages as needed to create a complete journal. This feature is especially useful if you're planning to create a longer notebook with multiple sections. By duplicating pages, you can save time and effort while maintaining a consistent design throughout the notebook. With Canva, creating a custom design journal notebook has never been easier. Creating successful designs is a crucial part of making money with Canva. To create designs that sell, it's important to understand your target audience and niche market. Research what kind of designs and themes your audience is interested in and tailor your designs accordingly. Using high-quality images and fonts can also make a big difference in the success of your designs. Choose images that are relevant to your target audience and make sure they are of good quality. When it comes to fonts, use clear, easy-to-read ones that complement your design. To make your design stand out, it's essential to create a cohesive and visually appealing design. Use a consistent color scheme, font style, and layout throughout your design. Make sure your design is balanced and not too cluttered. It's also helpful to stay up to date with the latest design trends and techniques. Follow relevant design blogs, social media accounts to get inspiration and new ideas. By following these tips and best practices, you'll be well on your way to creating successful designs that will help you earn money with Canva. When it comes to creating successful journal designs, it can be helpful to look at examples of what has worked well in the past. By studying the designs that have been successful on Amazon, you can identify the key elements that make them stand out and appeal to buyers. In this section, we will showcase a variety of successful journal designs created using Canva. We'll discuss the design elements that make these journals so popular and provide tips and strategies for creating similar designs. Some of the key design elements that successful journals often have in common include a clear and visually appealing cover, high-quality images and graphics, and well-organized interior pages that are easy to navigate. Additionally, successful journal designs often cater to a specific niche or target audience, with themes and prompts that resonate with that particular group. By incorporating these elements into your own journal designs, you can increase your chances of success and create products that truly stand out in the marketplace. If you're looking to sell your journals online, one option is to use Amazon KDP. However, keep in mind that there are other platforms available as well. While we won't be going into great detail about the selling process, we'll touch briefly on uploading and selling your journals on Amazon KDP. First, you'll need to sign up for a free Amazon KDP account. From there, you can upload your completed journal and set the price. Amazon will handle the printing and shipping, making it easy for you to sell your journals without having to worry about inventory or fulfillment. However, it's important to note that selling on Amazon requires some time and effort. Just like any other business, you'll need to put in some time and effort to optimize your listings and promote your products. It's also a good idea to watch some videos and educate yourself on how to set up your Amazon storefront and use social media to drive traffic to your listings. Remember, the focus of this video is on creating custom designs, but if you put in the work, selling your journals online can be a great way to earn money with less effort. Finally, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section, and please like the video and subscribe to my channel.